Hi everyone, I'm Gina Mari and I am here with model and skincare lover, Catherine Lee.
Hi everyone.
We're here to talk about Murad's latest launch, the Replenishing Multi-Acid Peel, which simultaneously resurfaces and nourishes at the same time. Because I'm an esthetician, I am obsessed with exfoliating. I love it, but if it's done too aggressively, your skin can get irritated, red, and overly sensitive.
We've developed this product as a biphase peel. Phase 1 incorporates 3 types of acids, a blend of AHA, BHA, and TXA to resurface smoother, brighter, healthier looking skin. Phase 2, the green part of the peel, features adaptogenic holy basil, which is rich in antioxidants and omega-rich oils to defend and strengthen the skin surface. Replenishing Multi-Acid Peel accelerates cell renewal by 33% in 7 days.
Okay, so the first thing you need to do is shake the bottle really well, and then you'll get a little cotton round. You put a few drops on there, and you're gonna go over your forehead, your cheeks, and your neck.
It feels awesome. Do I need to rinse this off?
No, you definitely wanna leave all that ingredient goodness on your skin. This peel helps with all signs of aging, uneven skin tone and texture. Let's leave everyone with a fun fact about this product. The green color you see, that's not artificial at all. It occurs naturally from a blend of turmeric, eggplant, seaweed, and holy basil extracts.